at a certain point, in the life cycle of our business, somebody made the suggestion, one of the senior members of management, that he'd been speaking with someone and decided that it might be a good thing for us to do to move some of our development activities to an offshore resource. And one of the things that Scorpion was able to do was to get involved in an evaluation of the vendors that we were looking at to do some of this offshore work, and not only evaluating their technical competence so that we would make sure that we got the right company in place, but also to actually break down and do an analysis of the supposed cost savings that we were going to experience. And so what we did was we put Scorpion in the role of managing those outside vendor resources. So they sat in between the management of our company and the external IT developers. And they sort of acted in the role of a translator, if you will, so that they made sure that when we tried to define what our business requirements were, that they were put in such a way that the outside vendor resource really knew what they were supposed to be coding. And what we found was that previously, a lot of the time, we thought we were being very clear with the way we would explain things and the way that we would document things, but it wasn't always understood on the other side. Scorpion was able to actually help optimize things on both sides of that equation. They were able to speak in technology terms to make sure that our outside resource was coding and programming what we needed the right way, and they were also able to speak in terms of our business requirements so that what we wanted and what we thought was the right way to do things could get explained and documented in an appropriate way, so that it actually got taken from the stage of an idea to actually a functional working operation that we could put out on the website and the customers could use. And so that is really an invaluable role as far as I'm concerned, and really kind of demonstrates in my mind the fact that Scorpion has both the IT expertise as well as the business understanding to really make a contribution that goes above and beyond what you would normally find with a typical sort of IT consulting firm.